Hi, I'm Megan Cook, and I'm going to bring you right now the most substantive video available on common law marriage and some warnings that you need to be aware of in the state of Texas. So, we're going to start with a story. Your kid's dad went to work his first day of the job, and at his first day, he died. They thought he died from heat exhaustion, but the autopsy shows that actually the death was from the use of methamphetamines. So your child's dad is passed away, and you decide to file a death benefits claim with his employer as his common law wife. You figure that you'd been informally married for many years, and the support that you had is now gone. Knowing just those basic facts, what do you think will happen with your workers' compensation claim that you were common law married? What does it take to win that claim? To prove that you were not common law married, the defendant company immediately filed this document with the court. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is an actual document that was recently filed in a Texas case with those facts, where a defendant company is trying to prove that a woman was not common law married. And basically what the tenor of the document says is that you have not proven the elements of common law marriage, that you did not live together as husband and wife, that being the first essential element to proving you were common law married, that you did not agree to be married, and that you did not represent to other people that you were married. Those elements, we're going to repeat them because they're important, that you lived together, you agreed to be married, represent to others that you were married. That is the center of all common law marriage litigation for living and people who have common law marriage claims after one spouse has passed away. If you can't prove those elements, no common law marriage is found. So if a lawyer is hired, if you hire a lawyer in this context, then the lawyer's job is to take that document that was filed by the defendant company and show that it's not true, that in fact you do meet the elements of common law marriage. Your lawyer's job is to prove that you did live together, that you did agree to be married, and that you did tell others that you were married. It's essential that that was part of it. So the couple here where she's doing a selfie, maybe posting on Facebook, here's my hubby, that would be used to prove a common law marriage. But do you realize what this means? A person, particularly one that you live with, could try, even in fraud, to claim that they are common law married to you. And the only way to end a common law marriage is not by agreement, but by a formal divorce where assets are divided. So, be careful who you live with. Now, in this quick video, you've learned this particular part of the Texas Family Code, and you saw an example of a common law marriage lawsuit, although there are many different types. There's a story there that you heard that actually recently happened in Texas with the worker who passed away on his very first day. Now, who should know about this type of information? People living with a bad roommate, a con artist roommate, people thinking that they're married just because they live together while they don't meet the other elements, people that know that they're common law married but have not formalized it with a declaration, employers that could be getting scammed into paying false marriage claims, people who are friends with any of those people, and lawyers advising people in any family capacity, which is many lawyers since everybody is, in fact, in a family of some kind. So, if you are interested in downloadable templates used by lawyers in recent Texas common law marriage litigation, please check out below, and you can find a list of ways to prove that there was, in fact, a common law marriage. For more videos like this one, we'd ask you to please subscribe.